These are the elevators at Thackeray Hall, University of Pittsburgh, Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I'm not 100% sure what these were originally, but they've been modernized with Otis Series M2. Got the 7. This looks like a fairly recent mod, so I may have just missed them. Oh well. These are pretty fast. Here at 7. Go back down to ground. ADA foam for newer elevators. Well, this one's a mod. Pretty interesting kind of basic and nice at the same time. This is pretty fast. Obviously modernized. I don't know what these were originally. Here's the ground. Here it goes, and that's it.